The combination of new product launches, a broadening of the distribution service network, and an increase in the proportion of contract manufacturing activity has resulted in rising growth levels at Billi and a return to top-line progress in consumer goods within the H1 results of Strix PLC. However, the cash cow controls division struggled because of the indirect impact of US tariffs on its Chinese OEM customers. Its OEM customers fulfilled orders from inventories and reduced production activity. This resulted in the group's top and bottom lines declining, with indebtedness rising, albeit comfortably within covenant guidelines. The outlook for Billi and Consumer Goods continues to be encouraging, with controls set to launch the next-gen control during Q4. We have used a peer group comparison methodology to determine fair value, which at 95p represents a marked uplift on the current share price.